In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to convert React application to the server-side React app using vite-plugin-ssr. By doing this, you make your web application faster and improve the SEO by making it easier for search engine to crawl and index. You can upgrade any React application, but for this tutorial, I'm gonna use one of my projects that I've already done on my YouTube channel. You can find this tutorial on this address, and the source code is here in my GitHub page. To use this project, click here, copy the URL, and open a new instance of VS Code. Then open a new terminal, go to your favorite folder. I'm gonna go to the desktop and git clone my project. You can import your own React project. Then go to that folder and type code dot to open this project in VS Code. Close the previous window and keep it open. Then right click on it and open a new VS Code window. In this window, I'm going to create my new server-side rendered React application. To do this, I'm gonna go to vite-plugin-ssr.com/scaffold and use the new app scaffolding code. Just copy this command to initialize a server-side React application. In a newly created VS Code, open new terminal, go to your favorite folder, let's say desktop, and run npm init vite-plugin-ssr @latest. Enter the project name. It is SSR shopping cart. You can name it whatever you like. The type of boilerplate is React. Then follow the instruction cd ssr shopping cart and run npm install to install packages in this project. After installing, type code and dot to open a new window for this project. Close the previous window. At the end, we have two VS Code window. This one, SSR shopping cart for the new project, and the React shopping cart for the old project. We're gonna convert this project to SSR. I just create readme.md file, and here is the steps. We already opened the React app, the regular React app, and we have run this step. The next one is copying the components folder from old project to the new one. Go to the old project, find the components folder, copy, and go to the new project and paste it at the root of this project. Great. Based on the plan, next step is moving index.css and data.js to the pages/index folder. From old project, find index, data, and app, all of them. Right click, copy. Then go to the pages, index, and paste them right here. Rename app.js to app.jsx. Get rid of counter, we do not need it in this project. And then go to index.page.js. Here is the starting point of this project. Get rid of all content and replace it with app. Get rid of counter and import app from /app. Save it. Next step is in the page shell. Open page shell.jsx. Get rid of all content inside page, context provider, and replace it with children. So we do not need layout, function, sidebar function, and content and logo. Get rid of it. So here is the final code. Let's get rid of unused imports. Here is the final code of page shell. It's like a layout for our application. Next step is fixing the path of imports. Here I'm importing basket from /component, but inside index there is no components folder, so I need to update the path to the components in the root folder of this project. So put dot slash dot dot slash for basket, header, main, and keep data as it is because the data is in the same folder. Go to the components and rename them the extension to JSX. For this one, header, main, and product. At the end, don't forget to import index.css. Let's test it. Open terminal in this folder and run npm run diff. Then open the address and there we are. We have server-side rendered version of React application. To make sure that it is server-side, right-click and click on View Page Source. As you see, list of products exist in the HTML source of this web page. In the old version, the client-side rendered version of this application, if you right-click at this address, if you right-click and View Page Source, you will not see any product here. As you see, here is the body section. There is no products because it is client-side rendered. But by this process, we can convert any React application to server-side and benefits the features of server-side rendering in our React application. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.